In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit funds on Draftkings. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you install the Draftkings app, which you're able to install for free. The next order of business is you want to make sure that you sign up for Draftkings. So when you first open up Draftkings, it's going to open up a page that looks like this. You're able to go to the top right, press on your profile picture, and then you guys are able to go ahead and actually begin creating your account. There are a few important things to know. Number one is that you will need to input certain information, including your full legal name, your address, your zip code, and also the last four digits of your social security number. You're going to need to input that in order for this to actually work. All right, now, once you have created your DraftKings account, the next order of business is to deposit funds, and you're able to do that by going to the top menu, pressing over here where it says deposit, and they actually provide us multiple different options for us to do it. All right, so then over here, you guys have multiple different ways to do it. So we can do it through online banking, a debit card, PayPal, Venmo, etc. So for this video, let's go ahead and stick with PayPal. But of course, you could use something else. And what you want to do is you want to enter in the amount. So let's say we want to put in $15 in our account. That's perfectly fine. Then you want to select on PayPal. And now wait for it to load in. And you want to quickly sign in. And basically, you're going to need to verify that the payment method is actually from you. So if you're using a debit card, you're going to need to input your card number, your CVV and stuff like that, and the expiration date. If you're using your bank, you're going to need to log in via your bank credentials, whether that's Citibank, Bank of America, etc. All of those are actually covered here on DraftKings. And then afterwards, it is going to allow you to deposit funds. So thankfully, it is a relatively simple process. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.